Today I'm going to change the rear differential oil in this Honda Recon. I believe any year Recon should be the same deal. So it's going to be pretty simple. Just got some gear oil over here and need a 17 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and I'm going to need a wrench too because of this really hillbilly, I don't know what's going on here, but this hitch kind of blocks my hole down there, that bolt, but whatever. All right, first step with anything like this, usually I make sure that I can get the fill cap off. And this one's kind of stripped because it looks like they used a pipe wrench on there. I don't know. So that'll come off. That's good. I'll just set it back on there. And then down underneath here in the skid plate, there's a hole. And you can feel right there is the bolt, 10 millimeter. Crack that loose. And there we go. She's draining. Just let it drain all of it out. Ideally, I would have warmed this thing up and drove it around to get the fluid nice and hot, but I have nothing but time, so I'm just going to let her drain out like this. And while that's draining, I come down below here and just show you the fill bolt. It's right there. Put my light down here so you can see. So this one right here, the small one, is the one we'll pull out. And that's how we know how full to fill it. You'll put the plug back in when it's done draining, and then fill this up till it pours out of this hole. And as you can see, still draining pretty good. So we wait. Just wanted to show you that both the drain and the overflow plug pressure washers are really destroyed. So I put brand new ones on. It's always a good idea to put new ones on. So there you go. I'm going to pop this drain plug in there, and we'll go from there. Okay, the drain bolt is in there securely, and make sure that you leave this bolt down here that's under this hideous hitch. Normally this wouldn't be here, but that this other one coming from the side is out, and then all you do is just go up top and fill it up until you see it coming out. There it goes. And you can rock it back and forth and make sure everything's circulated, but it's probably full enough, so just let it drip until it stops coming out of that hole, and then it's full. Pretty much stopped dripping. We had a couple drops. So put this bolt back in here. Again, you can't really see it. Go in by hand. And then I'm going to tighten it. And there we go. And then the fill cap is ready to go on. I just had it set on here. Get it started. That's the first part. There we go. Oh. Gotta go backwards to go forward. Dang it. Everything goes so smooth. There it goes. Yep, and then you take your 17 milli, tighten that guy up, and spray down any of your mess with brake clean. And that's it. Good to go.